In this video, we are going to see about interesting facts of the country Uzbekistan. Official name Republic of Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan capital is Tashkent. Uzbekistan flag have a horizontal azure, white and green strips separated by two narrow red strips. A crescent and three rows of 12 stars are situated on the upper azure strips. Uzbekistan total area is 447,400 square kilometers. Estimated population of the country is 33.6 million people. Uzbekistan major religion is Islam. Uzbekistan official language is Uzbek. Uzbekistan currency is Uzbekistan Som. Uzbekistan proclaimed its independence from the Soviet Union on 1st September 1991. Uzbekistan national animal sand cat, bird hamma bat, sport football, pomegranate. Uzbekistan is landlocked country located in Central Asia. Uzbekistan is bordered by Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. Srat Sultan, the tallest mountain at 4,643 meters height. Amu Darya river is the longest river, 2,540 km long. Tallest building in Uzbekistan is Tashkent Tower, 1,230 feet height. Uzbekistan was at the heart of the historic Silk Road, the ancient trading route that connects China with Europe. Uzbekistan was occupied by Alexander the Great when he captured Samarkand in 329 BCE. During the 13th and 14th century, Uzbekistan was conquered by Genghis Khan. Cotton in Uzbekistan is known as white gold. Cotton accounts for around 7% of country's exports. The Aral Sea of Uzbekistan was once the world's fourth largest lake. Soviet irrigation project in 1960s, the lake has almost disappeared. It's a worst environmental disasters. The Moran II gold mine in Uzbekistan is the world's largest open pit gold mine, and it has production at 66 tons of gold. Uzbekistan current gold reserves are estimated at USD 13.1 billion. Gold remains one of the major export items for Uzbekistan. At the 2016 Rio Olympics, Uzbekistan topped the boxing medal table, winning 3 gold and 2 silver medals. Uzbekistan is Central Asia's most populous country, and the majority lives in rural areas. The national dish of Uzbekistan is pulao, consists of rice and fried vegetable generally eaten for lunch. Uzbekistan economy grew 8% every year it is still one of the least developed and poorest country in Asia. Chevrolet car is ruling the road of Uzbekistan. Everywhere we can see Chevrolet cars. In Uzbekistan, at the end of a shared meal, it is common ethic to run your hands over your face in the Amin gesture to signify thanks.